I'm Luciano Benavides. I ride for Husqvarna Factory Racing team, and I'm excited to race the Dakar 2023.
I'm Skyler Howes. I ride for Husqvarna Factory Racing, and I'm excited to race the Dakar 2023. I'm actually super motivated for this because this year and preparation leading into it, I've been focused with the navigation and the road book and really dedicated to working on this new bike and getting it to the top level.
My favorite part in the Dakar, I think, is to open the stages and never know what is coming in the desert. I think this is the most excited part in Dakar because it's really excited. The desert is always different, always changing, and you never know what's going to happen. So I think that's what is one of the best parts.
Yeah, the focus definitely has shifted much more into preparation of myself and taking care of my body and everything, and so that gives me a lot more confidence heading into this next race as a factory racer, because now I'm much more focused and experienced with the team and how things work that way, and to head into the next race gives me a lot more confidence and a little bit more ease of the mind working with the team heading into the Dakar.
One of the most challenging parts for Dakar, I think, is the liaisons. The liaison, because it's really a mental part of the Dakar, of the rally. You have to wake up at 3:30, 4 a.m. and after 1 week or 10 days, your body is really tired, and you have to ride for 300, 400 Ks in the road, and then you start the stage. So you arrive already tired to the start of the race. So it's quite challenging. Skyler is a really good teammate. He showed good potential in 2020. Yeah, after that he was my teammate, so I'm really happy to ride with him. We're really close, really friends. He's a really good guy, and he's really fast in the open deserts. I hope he can get a strong result in 2023.
Heading into the Dakar 23 with a teammate like Luciano is actually super cool because me and him get along super well. And riding with him, actually before I was a factory racer, we would team up out there on the Dakar. While I was a privateer, we rode together a lot, and I hope we can do the same at the Dakar 23 because I love hanging out with him. He's a super cool guy, and to ride with him and to key off, play a little bit of a team game there would be actually really fun. So I'm excited for it.
Always to have a teammate, because you have the same bike, the same opportunities, the same people working for you. So of course you look to your teammate and you try to beat him in the race. But at the same time, we're really close, and we carry each other on the stages and, of course, in the Dakar.
The Dakar being so highly regarded has to be with just the sense of adventure. General feeling of being out there on your own, just you, the machine, and the road book for long days, long weeks. I mean, there's so much that goes out there and so much adventure, and I think that's what probably holds the most value to the whole thing and the most draw to that, because the Dakar is strange. You go out there and you're like beating yourself up, and you have hard things that happen every day, and you're just grinding through, and as soon as you finish, man, I can't wait to go back. So it's a strange thing to go out there and go through such a gnarly experience, but there's no other experience or no other sport, no other event that you could possibly go to that would give you the same experiences that you find in the Dakar.